Okay guys, I am excited to show you this one. It just got here and I really like the new design. It is electric only. I don't believe there might be some propane, but super excited to show you. It does not have slides, but it does look like it has slides. It's really nice. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know. If you have any questions, reach out. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the Cherokee. It's a 2025 model 26EV. Like I said, there's no slides on this side. And it is only electric. You've got your long awning, beautiful windows. You can hang your TV out here as well. You're going to have your backup camera prep as well. Actually, you don't. Okay. And then you're going to have storage right there, but let's take a look inside. I mean, for no slides, this is really nice. It feels so much bigger. In fact, the bunks look so much bigger, look so much wider as well. Love it. So you got two bunks. You've got a dinette that turns into a bed, and it looks like somebody tried to see what the bed looked like, but I mean, it's a nice big bed, and it's super comfy because these are really thick, really nice. I love the wood in here, and then just the color. I think they did a really, really good job. So you got your fireplace over here. You've got your kitchen, sink and countertop. You got storage right above it. Storage up here as well, right above this comfy couch, which of course can go into a bed as well. You've got two fridge, let's see, I would assume fridge and freezer, but I'm not quite sure. But plenty of room, believe me, plenty of room. And then you got a microwave and then more storage. Right back here, you've got your bathroom. A little bit of, it's kind of a tub, but plenty of space. Yes, they did good. Plenty of space. You're not going to bump your knees. And then you do have all of this storage and your master bed or whatever in this area. So you do have a privacy curtain as well that goes all the way across. But a lot of storage. Your entertainment goes right here. You can have a seat right here. Kids can have a seat there. Storage above and on the side. What do you guys think of this camper? Super cute. Of course, the price is amazing. It's let's see, $24,988. Amazing. But you get so much from this camper. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, call, text, email. My information is below. But yeah, let me know. All right, until next time, guys.